What is a nutrient? A substance found in the environment which are necessary for growth, reproduction, and health maintenance. 6 basic nutrients are water, fat, protein, vitamins, minerals, and carbohydrates. Each of these provides our bodies with specific nourishment.
Protein is composed of amino acids which help to build muscle mass. It also provides the structure of muscle tissue of our body and transports essential elements in our blood stream. It can also be found in chicken, eggs, fish, and nuts.
Heat and regulating fluids. Minerals include zinc, iron, and manganese.
The body needs fats to process vitamins and minerals, and they are used as energy during exercise. There are mineral fats like meat, butter, and cheese, or vegetable fats like olive oil, corn oil, and nuts.
Composed of 40 to 60% of water, which means we must drink a lot of it in order to prevent dehydration, and is very important during exercise. Water also carries nutrients to the body cells. We can drink water directly, or it is found in fruits and vegetables that contain high quantities, like watermelon, melons, and spinach.
Are the primary source of energy in our body and power all the system, including the brain, heart, muscle, and internal organs. Carbohydrates break down protein and protect the body from toxins. Food include bananas, pasta, bread, rice, and corn syrup.
Needed to process nutrients, regulate the nervous system, and build genetic material. Protein, red blood cells, and hormones. There are specific vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, which helps the body use calcium and phosphorus to build and maintain strong bones and teeth. It is found in salmon, fortified breakfast cereals, and eggs. Zinc helps protein and DNA synthesis, wound healing, cell division, and keeps the immune system functioning. This mineral is found in dairy products, whole grains, and crab. Iron is important for oxygen transport and the regulation of cell growth. Red meats, fish, and poultry contain iron.
Vitamin A is important for vision, bone growth, reproduction cells, division, and cells differentiation, and it's found in whole milk, cheddar cheese, and mango. Calcium is essential to bones, circulatory and cardiovascular health, muscle maintenance, and blood flow. Good sources of calcium include green leafy vegetables, almonds, and soybean. Lastly, potassium is found in avocado, salmon, potato, tomatoes, cantaloupe, and bananas. It's important for water balance, acid base balance, muscle and nervous function, energy production, heart and kidney functions, regulating blood pressure, and lengthening pulse.
From plant-based foods, meaning the skin, seeds, and stems, and it is a part of the plant that our bodies cannot digest. Water-soluble fibers lower blood cholesterol and slow digestion to stabilize blood sugar. On the other hand, insoluble fibers quickly remove solid waste from our bodies, preventing constipation and some gastrointestinal diseases. It is also good to feel fuller longer, preventing weight gain by providing calories that aren't absorbed. It is important to drink a lot of water to help the fiber work since it carries out water and can cause dehydration. It is found in grains like whole grain breads, whole wheat spaghetti, and oatmeal. Vegetables like spinach, broccoli, and peas also provide fiber.
Diet. One way to think of it as a diet that becomes popular very quickly but unpopular in a very short amount of time. However, it can also be seen as a diet that promises the person that they will lose weight very fast in a low time. Each type of a fat diet has different kind of menu and restrictions.
How healthy are they? They usually eliminate food groups altogether, which is considered unhealthy because research shows that we must have a balanced diet in order to get all the nutrients. Since these weight loss programs are not balanced, the consumers normally don't get the necessary nutrients.
Diets recommend taking daily supplements to make up for the loss. But these supplements don't provide all the plant chemicals necessary for our body to work correctly.
Another negative is that people learn to lose weight rapidly, but not in the long term, eventually leading to weight gain once the diet is finished, especially because most of the weight loss comes from decrease of water mass and muscle mass.
We usually say that exercise is not necessary while depressed, but exercise is always very important in order to be healthy, at least 30 minutes a day. Lastly, people get bored of eating the same restricted meals every day, so they tend to change the diet plans frequently. This leads to a slower metabolism and can actually make it easier for a person to gain weight.
Types of diets and their consequences include diets high in protein and low in carbohydrates, sometimes even none. This can be like the carbohydrates addicts diet, the sugar busters, the salad-rich diet, and others. These diets limit carbohydrates because they claim that carbohydrates are the main reason for weight gain. The consequences can include kidney stones, increased blood pressure, nutrient deficiency, and heart disease.
Specific diets like grapefruit diet, the cabbage soup diet, and the peanut butter diet, this kind don't promote healthy, balanced eating and very low in calories, which our bodies need.
The Slim Fast and Cambridge diets provide all the necessary nutrients in very low calories, which is also bad because of the lack of calories. These diets work short term and avoid teaching the people how to be healthy in the long term.
Measured diets such as Jenny Craig and Nutri-System provide low-fat balanced meals. These do not have such a bad consequence, but they are expensive and don't help people learn how healthy on their own once they stop the diet.
Drugs, ephedrine, dexatrim, and caffeine pills are meant to control the appetite of the person. Sometimes they may lead to high blood pressure, dizziness, insomnia, and nausea. Ephedrine can be addictive and cause headaches, high blood pressure, and even heart attacks. It is not regulated by the FDA. An economic crisis affects humans' health because packaged and fast foods are cheap and need little or no preparation after buying them. Unfortunately, these are very unhealthy since they are high in sodium, trans fat, calories, and so on. This is when people begin to gain weight and insecurity is created. Because of this, some people may choose to rely on the cheaper kinds of fad diets, which are the worst kind. As we said before, the more expensive diets are usually the most acceptable ones. So not only are people with low economic resources being affected by cheaper and unhealthy foods, they are also not taking care of themselves by choosing these diets. Finally, fad diets are part of a social problem because people try to lose weight quickly, mainly due to a social pressure and stereotypes of what beauty is. Overweight people tend to feel insecure because society advertises more slender and attractive people. So they try different methods of losing weight, such as fad diets. What they normally don't consider is that being healthy is better than rapidly losing weight, and by having a balanced, nutritive diet and exercising, they can achieve their weight goal in a healthy way. This lack of education on nutritional value is another social and cultural problem. For instance, if everyone was well informed, then obesity, anorexia, and many other eating disorders would not be such a great concern among society because people would know the consequences and benefits of their eating habits.